What's going on out there, y'all? You see it. KFX 450. We're about to be putting on these Nerf bars. Got the Alba Team Racing Nerf bars. I'm pretty sure my bumper's Alba Racing too. Now I had the stock old ones. I got my Nerf ball, but I still got the foot peg on right now. So go ahead and get into it real quick. All right, y'all, let's see what we got in this box right quick. Got some instructions. Y'all tore up. Horrible. Got one Nerf bar that looks like the this is the left one right here. Got some nuts, pegs, more pegs. Looks like it came with some bolts too. I got some bolts. I got a bolt kit, but it came with some bolts too, and all kinds of extra stuff. Other peg right here. Other foot right there. All right, first thing we gotta do, you gotta make sure you take off your stock foot pads and your stock Nerf ball that it is. Mine's already took the little Nerf ball part off, and I got take off this foot peg now. Just got two bolts right here, one there, and I'm gonna do the hard side right here. The only thing extra on this right side here, the only thing extra on the brake side is this spring that sits right here. Just gonna have to unhook the springs from down here. Remove it. Just remember to keep your stock bolts. That's what you're gonna be using to put on your new foot peg. First, you're gonna put on the peg that comes with it. The right side is a little bit different. It got an R stamped on the back of it. Right there, so you know the right from the left. Only thing different on the right side here is for the shifter. Not for the shifter, but for the brake. You got a spring to put on it. Next up, we're gonna be placing in our front mounting block right here. And this is gonna go right here where your motor mount is located at. Take these two bolts out. You won't need these two no more. You got the long bolts to come with it. Place it. All right, after you get your front mounting block in place, you're gonna use your front mounting peg and install it. Looks like this. It don't matter which one goes on either side, both the same. You're gonna need a spacer and a bolt. Then you mount it like this right here into the front mounting block. All right, now when you screwing this one in, make sure you don't tighten it down. Keep that bolt loose. Now it's time to install the actual Nerf ball. We're gonna get it in place, then we'll start tightening bolts down. Get in there this time, eh? Tighten up too tight, didn't I? All right, then before we tighten anything, we gotta make sure our bolts are lined up here. We're gonna place our set screw that goes through here on the side right there. You can see it's lining up. The hole is right there. We're gonna place our set screw in, then we're gonna start tightening everything down. All right, you're gonna need your bolt and the nut. Place it all the way through. Go ahead. All right, next up, we're gonna have these brackets right here. We're gonna hook up to the back here. One thing you gotta remember, all your stock Nerf balls, you're gonna have one screw that's left back here. Make sure you keep this screw in there. Need this out. Kind of a certain way this goes on. One side is a little bit longer than the other. Short side, you want to place that mounting towards the frame. And the longer side is going to be going on the outside. Now the L shape is going to go up to your actual plastic here, your actual fender here, and the straight edge is going to go to the back of your Nerf ball, mount it together. All right, once we got everything in place now, that's all the bolts, the back is attached, the front's attached, then we can start tightening everything down. All right, last thing we got to tighten up now. It's gonna be an Allen key that sits right here. Pretty sure it's an 8mm. Just tighten up so this won't slap the peg right here. All right, then the last thing we gotta do is put on the nets. I got the black nets to come with mine. It ain't too hard. I'll show you how to do this real quick. All right, put your net on. It's pretty easy. We got 3 slots. We got the top, the middle, and the bottom. What you wanna do is take it through the top, place it out the bottom, then bring it back through the middle. Through the middle and up the top. And that's it. Just tighten it up. Now you do that for the rest of the nets round. All right, y'all, there y'all have it. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. And you tighten it up. Make sure you tighten up to your fit and however loose you want your net, and tighten up, make sure your lines are straight. That's how you know you got it on right. But other than that though, that's it. KFX 450 Nerf bars. This is the Albert Racing ones right here. All right, y'all, catch y'all on the next one. Go.